Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a new bubble tea shop. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the staff at the shop. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How many different ways can you make 1 cup of bubble tea at the shop in this story? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Look, Lily, there's a new shop right here on this street.
Oh, I see it. It has such a bright, colorful sign.
It's called BubbleTea House. It just opened last week.
Bubble tea? I don't think I have ever tried that before.
Really? It's very popular in Japan. Lots of people drink it every day.
What is inside it? Let me look at the picture on the sign.
It's a cold milk tea, and you drink it with a big straw.
Wait, are those black balls in the drink?
Yes, those are tapioca balls. People also call them boba.
They look strange to me. Are they made of milk, like cheese?
No, they're made from a plant root called cassava. They're soft, but you need to use your teeth.
Use my teeth, so I need to chew them, not just drink them?
Exactly. You drink the tea, and then you chew the little balls.
That sounds a bit strange, but also interesting at the same time.
When I was younger, I drank bubble tea almost every weekend with my friends.
Really? So this drink is a big part of your life back home?
Yes, it is. There's a small shop near my old house in Japan.
I didn't know that. I want to know why you love it so much.
I think you will understand once you try it for yourself.
What did you and your friends usually order when you were young?
We usually got the regular milk tea, just like most people order today.
That's a nice memory. I like hearing about your life before we met.
I'll tell you more stories another day. Right now, let's go inside and order.
Okay, but I might need your help. This is all new to me.
Don't worry, I'll help you order. It's easy once you know how.
All right, let's go in then.
Great, I'm excited for you to try your first bubble tea.
The smell from inside already makes me want to go in.
Me too. Let's not wait any longer.
I'm a little nervous, but let's do it.
Hi there. Welcome to Bubble Tea House. Can I help you?
Hi, yes, please. I don't know what to order. There are so many choices.
I understand. Our menu can look a little hard to understand at first.
I see sugar levels from 0 to 100%. What does that mean?
You can choose how sweet you want your drink. 0 means no sugar at all.
And 100%?
That means very sweet. Most people choose 50% for their first drink.
Okay, that sounds good. What about the ice? I see different levels for that too.
You can also choose the ice level. Less ice, normal ice, or more ice.
Can I have it hot instead of cold?
Yes, we can also make it hot if you like, but most people drink it cold.
Cold sounds nice today. It's a warm day outside.
I agree. Cold is the best choice on a warm day like this.
Wow, there are so many ways to make just one drink.
Actually, we have more than 100 ways to make this drink.
100? That's a lot for just 1 cup of tea.
Yes, it is, but don't worry. I can help you choose.
Thank you. What do you think is good for someone trying it for the first time?
I think the classic milk tea is good. 50% sugar and less ice.
What is in the classic milk tea? Is it black tea or green tea?
It's black tea with milk. It has a nice, strong taste.
That sounds good. Do the tapioca balls come with it, or do I need to ask for them?
Toppings are extra food you can add to your drink. Tapioca is our most popular topping, but you need to add it to your order.
Okay, let's add tapioca then. Classic milk tea with tapioca, 50% sugar and less ice.
Great choice. What size would you like? Medium or large?
What's not the same about them?
The large size has more tea and more tapioca inside.
Medium is fine for me, thank you. I want to try a small amount first.
That's smart. You can always order a large one next time.
Good idea. Thank you for all your help.
Perfect. I'll write that down for you now.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a milk tea too, please. 50% sugar, less ice.
Sure. Would you like to add a topping? We have a few choices here.
Oh, I didn't know there were other toppings. What do you have?
We have tapioca, of course. We also have pudding and small jelly pieces.
This case looks so nice. I can see so many colors inside.
Yes, we get fresh toppings every morning before we open the shop.
That's great to know. Fresh toppings must taste even better.
I agree. Fresh toppings really make it taste much better.
Jelly pieces? I've never tried that before. What does it taste like?
It's soft and a little sweet. Some people like it more than tapioca.
And the pudding? Is it like the pudding we have back home?
It's a little different. It's soft, sweet, and it has a light egg taste.
That sounds nice too. This is a hard choice for me.
Take your time. A lot of people find it hard to pick just one.
Tapioca, pudding, or jelly. They all sound really good to me.
You can also mix two toppings if you can't choose just one.
Oh, I can mix them? That makes it even harder to decide.
I know. Our topping case makes a lot of people stop and think.
I'm sorry, there are people waiting behind me now.
Take your time. No rush. This happens every day here.
Are you sure? I don't want to make everyone wait too long.
I'm sure. Everyone here understands. We all had our first time choosing too.
Okay, thank you. That makes me feel better. I'll take tapioca and pudding.
Great choice. Tapioca and pudding go very well together.
Perfect. Sorry again for taking so long.
Don't worry about it at all. We want you to enjoy your drink.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
My pleasure. I'll have your drink ready in a few minutes.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is topping, meaning extra food you can add to a drink. For example, I chose tapioca as my topping. The second word is straw, meaning a thin tube for drinking. For example, this drink has a very big straw. The third word is sip, meaning a small drink of something. For example, take a small sip of your tea. The fourth word is chew, meaning to bite food before you swallow it. For example, you need to chew the tapioca first. The fifth word is flavor, meaning the taste of a food or drink. For example, what flavor do you want to try next? Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at their table by the window.
Ken, our drinks are ready. I can see them on the counter.
Great, let's go get them. I'm excited to see what mine looks like.
Here you go, 1 milk tea with tapioca and pudding.
Thank you. And this one is yours, the regular milk tea with tapioca.
Wow, look at this straw. It's so big.
Yeah, it's much bigger than a normal drink straw.
Why does it need to be this big? A normal straw would be fine.
It's wide so the tapioca can go through it. The balls are pretty big.
Oh, that makes sense. A small straw would get stuck right away.
Exactly. If the straw is too thin, the tapioca can't move up at all.
I never thought about that before. It's a small thing, but a smart one.
Every part of this drink is made just for the tapioca inside it.
That's a nice way to think about it. Even the cup is a little different.
Right. The cup is a bit taller too, so all the tapioca can fit inside.
I really like learning small things like this. It makes the drink more fun.
Me too. These little things make the drink feel special.
The tapioca looks like tiny black stones inside the tea.
I guess it does look like that a little bit.
I hope it tastes better than it looks.
Trust me, it does. Just wait until you try it.
Okay, I can't wait to try it now.
Me too. Let's open our straws and get ready to drink.
Good idea. I don't want to wait any longer.
These drinks look so cold and nice.
They really do. I can't wait to taste mine.
Me neither. Let's enjoy every sip of these.
I'm ready when you are.
Here we are at our table by the window.
I love this spot. We can see the whole street from here.
Me too. The light in here is really nice.
I'm still a little nervous about the black balls, to be honest.
Don't worry. I promise they taste good. Take one small sip at a time.
Okay, I trust you. Let's give it a try.
Are you ready for your first sip?
Okay, here it goes. My first sip of bubble tea.
Take it slow. Don't drink too fast at the start.
I'll be fine, don't worry. I drink milkshakes all the time.
Okay, if you say so.
Oh no! So many balls came up at once.
Are you okay? Did you drink too fast?
Wow, I got too many at once. That surprised me.
That happens to many people the first time. You need to chew them first.
Chew them first? I thought I could just swallow them like a drink.
No, they are food, not just a drink. Chew them well before you swallow them.
Okay, give me a second. That surprised me a lot.
Take a breath. Drink some water if you need to.
I'm okay now. Let me try again, slower this time.
Take your time. There's no rush at all.
Oh, that's much better. Now I can really taste them.
See? Small sips and always chew. That's how you drink bubble tea.
They're actually soft and a little sweet. I like how it feels in my mouth a lot.
I told you, the tapioca is my favorite part of the drink.
It's soft, but I need to use my teeth in a good way. I understand now why you like it so much.
I'm happy you're starting to enjoy it now.
It feels strange in my mouth, but I think I will like it more each time.
Most people feel the same way the first time. It gets better with practice.
It's a bit like chewing soft gum, but I can swallow this one.
That's a good way to describe it.
I'm glad I didn't give up after the first big sip.
Me too. I was worried you wouldn't like it after that surprise.
Don't worry, I'm having a great time now.
Just remember, small sips next time. No more big surprises for you.
Okay, small sips, I promise.
Good. Now enjoy the rest of your drink.
I will. This is much more fun than I thought.
So, what do you think now? Was it as strange as you thought?
Actually, no. I really like it. It's much better than I thought it would be.
I'm happy to hear that. I knew you would like it once you tried it.
The tea is sweet, but not too sweet, and the tapioca is fun to chew.
That's exactly why so many people love bubble tea around the world.
I was nervous about the black balls at first, but now they're my favorite part.
See? Sometimes new food looks strange, but it tastes really good.
You're right. I'm glad we came in today. Thank you for bringing me here.
Of course. I'm glad we tried it together.
Should we finish our drinks before we go?
Yes, let's finish them first. I don't want to waste a single drop.
That's a good sign. You really do like it.
I do. It is still one of my favorite drinks.
Can we come back here again next week?
Of course. We can try a different flavor next time.
Ooh, what other flavors do they have?
I saw mango, chocolate, and taro on the menu too.
Taro? What is that? I've never heard of it before.
Taro is a plant root. Taro drinks are often light purple and a little sweet.
That sounds great. Let's try it next time we come here.
I can't wait to try it.
Maybe we can bring some friends here too so they can try it themselves.
That's a great idea. I think they'll be surprised, just like you were.
Maybe I'll be the one explaining the straw to them next time.
I'm sure you'll be great at that.
This has been such a fun afternoon together.
It has. Are you ready to go now?
Yes, ready. Thank you for bringing me here today, Ken.
Thank you for trying something new with me. Let's go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How many different ways can you make 1 cup of bubble tea at the shop in this story? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. If you want to study more, this channel also has a membership. Members get a special study guide PDF for every episode. Each PDF has the key words, useful phrases, and extra quiz questions that are not in the video. You can find the link in the description below. If you really want to improve your English, please give it a try. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.